All right, so we are finally almost done with the bathroom remodel we started years ago before Liam was born. So I made a toilet paper holder. That was pretty quick and easy. So today we're going to make towel holder. So a little towel rail for putting towels on uh, by the shower. Here we go. All right, here's the plan. We're going to take this length of 1/4 inch round bar and we're going to taper down the ends, and then we're going to coil it up into a bit of a spiral, bit of a scroll. Do that on both ends so that it's the right length to hang a towel on. And then those two ends we're going to bend up so that the center of those curls can be where it attaches to the wall. So it should be pretty quick and easy. Let's see what goes wrong. I need my other hammer. My other hammer is over somewhere. Use it for another project. I gotta go find it. These just aren't hitting the way. There. There's the hammer I like. A little bit bigger, and then right in the center of that is where I'm going to put the screw into the wall. Okay, this might be our last rolling here. I like it. As far as rolls go, well, actually, that's my first jelly roll like that. So, not bad for a first time. There, a heat or two here-ish. We just gotta straighten them out a little. He's a little crooked. That's right, still time. Alright, got the two ends rolled. So we're getting there. Now I'm just gonna bend it out so that these can be the parts where it hits on the wall. And we're almost done. This stuff's thin enough, you don't hardly even need to heat it to bend it. There we go. So there's one. Whatever. Just gonna bend it backwards, I'll heat it and twist it. Okay, so now, I think it is backwards. Of course. Almost there. Just gotta fix my mistake.
Daddy. Oh, look it. Oh, look at Daddy.